Hello together. In this video I will show you how to activate the fingerprint sensor to access our device with our finger on the Motorola Moto G42. So normally you just use a pin like I am doing here. So I want to access my device and I just type in my pin and that's okay. But there, of course, there's a more convenient and more secure way. And this is our fingerprint, because everybody has a different fingerprint, so we can use this here. So I go here in the settings. And when I am in my settings, I go a little bit down to security. And I go a little bit down and press here on fingerprint. And re-enter your PIN. It's 4 times 0. I click on OK. And then unlock with your fingerprint. Touch the fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone. Authorize purchases or sign into apps. Note your fingerprint may be less secure than a strong pattern or PIN. So I click on setup and then find the sensor, and you can see the sensor is here, the power button. So I will hold it like this and just always change a little bit the position and vary it a little bit so that he can learn the different ways of how am I putting in on my finger here, my thumb. And normally this should be the way that you are unlocking your device. And every time he says something different, it takes a little while, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and ready. Fingerprint added. You're ready to use the fingerprint to unlock, log in, and make payments. So I can add another, but I will say here done. Easy shortcuts. You get easy shortcuts. You can double tap on the power button at any time. Okay, I will say learn more. Okay, power tap. Okay, we can here activate something. I will say try it out. Why not? So I could just tap here. Okay, great. Thank you very much. But I will say no thanks. Okay, so let's go back. And then again to the fingerprint. And then we can see here it's touch to unlock. And you can see here I have my finger 1. I can name it. So thumb, right hand or something. And then add fingerprint. And then you can see everything's fine. So what will happen now when I turn it off and turn it on again? And I will put here my finger on it and you can see bam. So it's pretty cool. I can just turn it on. And what will happen if I will just use another finger? So, okay, fingerprint not recognized, you know. And I can still access the device with the pin. 4 times 0, okay, and then I'm in it. So the fingerprint is very, very convenient, and I think it's also very secure since you can also make payments with it. And I hope this video helped you a little bit how to activate your fingerprint and use the fingerprint sensor on the Moto G42. If this video helped you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.